Open the door. Read the book. Wash the dishes. Turn off the fan. Bring the water bottle. Write on the board. Pick up the phone. Open the box. Close the drawer. Check the time. Switch off the TV. Start the computer. Watch the movie. Cross the road carefully. Boil the water. Set the table. Paint the wall. Tie the rope. Check the email. Wear the jacket. Cut the paper. Take the bus. Clean the shoes. Check the answer. Take the photo. Fold the clothes. Wash the car. Lock the gate. Sharpen the pencil. Call the doctor. Find the key. Water the plants. Take the medicine. Read the instructions. Mix the ingredients. Answer the phone. Catch the ball. Iron the shirt. Buy the tickets. Hold the baby. Start the engine. Bake the cake. Pack the bag. Hang the clothes. Help the old man. Take the umbrella. Turn on the light. Feed the dog. Clean the room. Close the window.